Hi guys, welcome in my YouTube channel All Rounder Neil. Today I will show you how to make a simple craft mood indicator. So let's start the video. To make the mood indicator, we will need two pieces of cardboard like this. As you can see, then draw any shape of your famous cartoon character, or you can draw any human beings. You can draw a simple person also, like this. Like this you can draw a simple person. So then we have to cut out this face. As you can see, we have to cut out this face. So to cut out, we will need a pair of scissors. So let's cut this out first. So I have cut the face of this person. So now we can color this person. You can use color pencils or watercolor or any type of color you wish to use. So let's color this first. So I have colored it out like this. As you can see, you can color as you wish. So now take another part of the cardboard like this. Put it back of the colored cardboard like this. Now draw a circle in the face with the help of pencil like this. As you can see, I have drawn a circle like here. You have to do like this as many as you can. First of all, place the cardboard like this and draw a circle. Then again fill the cardboard and draw another face like this. You can do as many faces as you can want. I have drawn 4 faces. So now time to draw the face in the circles like this in here. So let's draw the faces like this. I have drawn 4 faces. This will mean I am happy. This will mean I am offended. This will mean I am angry. This will mean I am sad. So now we have to join this man and the face together. So we will need a drawing pin like this. A drawing pin and a eraser, a piece of eraser you can say. We have to push the pin through the center of the cardboard to the another center of the cardboard like this. We have to join the cardboards together. Now we will put the piece of eraser here. Like this. And now our mood indicator is ready. So let's see how it is working. I am angry. I am sad. I am happy. I am offended. So this was our craft, guys. If you like this video, please press the like button and share this video with all your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel to support me, guys. Thank you guys. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye.